Trading order types cheat sheet, your ultimate guide to mastering foreign forex trading orders. When trading forex or other financial instruments, understanding order types is crucial to executing trades effectively. So let's dive into the most common order types and their functionalities. Market order. A market order is executed immediately at the current market price. Advantages include fast execution and a high probability of trade execution. However, there is no control over the execution price and the potential slippage may occur. Limit order. A limit order allows you to buy or sell at a specific price or better, providing control over the execution price and avoiding slippage. However, execution is not guaranteed and patience may be required. Stop order. A stop order or stop loss order triggers a buy or sell once the price reaches a specified level. It helps manage risk by automatically exiting a position. However, there is no control over the execution price and slippage is possible. Stop limit order. A stop limit order combines a stop order and a limit order. Once the stop price is reached, it becomes a limit order, offering risk management with price control. However, execution is not guaranteed. It's more complex to set up. Trading stop order. A trading stop order moves with the market price, locking in profits while providing protection if the market reverses. If it offers dynamic risk management but no control over the execution price. Good till cancelled. GTC order. A GTC order remains active until manually cancelled or failed, providing flexibility and time efficiency. However, there is a risk of forgetfulness and the need for monitoring. One cancels the other. OCO order. An OCO order consists of two orders, typically a limit order and a stop order. If one order is executed, the other one is cancelled, allowing simultaneous management of multiple orders and reducing risk. However, it's more complex to set up and only one order is executed. Understanding these order types is essential for executing your trading strategy effectively. Each type offers its own set of advantages and disadvantages. By familiarizing yourself with them, you can gain a better control over your trades and improve your overall trading performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more forex trading tips and tutorials.